Good afternoon, Robert Scribbler filming south and east from Jeanette's Pier at some choppy 3 to 4 foot waves, and we've got 3 to 5 foot waves, mostly choppy conditions up and down the Outer Banks on the east facing beaches, and Frisco looking at some blown out conditions right now as we have some strong northeasterly winds coming in at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Air temperature is pretty chilly in the upper 40s and lower 50s. But as we look forward to tomorrow, conditions expected to improve, and then by the weekend we are looking at a gale, particularly on Sunday. So yet another gale expected to hammer the Outer Banks this coming weekend. All right, so let's look at the local observations provided by the wave monitors, buoy data, and the National Weather Service right now at Nags Head. 3 to 4 foot and choppy conditions with a north-northeast swell at 6.1 foot and 7 seconds. North-northeast winds coming in at 20 to 25 miles per hour. Air temperatures 48 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 56 degrees Fahrenheit. We are heading toward a low tide this afternoon between 2 and 3 p.m. and we are heading toward a high tide later on this evening at between 8 and 9 p.m. At Rodanthe, we've got 3 to 4 foot plus waves and a choppy mess with confused waves. North-northeast swell pretty heavy at 6.6 foot and 7 seconds. North-northeast winds at 25 miles per hour. Air temperatures 47 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures up to 59. By no means warm there at Rodanthe. And then at Buxton, we got 3 to 4 foot plus waves. Choppy conditions with a strong side shore current. North-northeast swell at 6.4 foot and 7 seconds. Also pretty heavy down there at Buxton. North-northeast winds at 26 miles per hour. Air temperatures 49 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures warming up with the northeasterly flow pushing in the Gulf Stream at 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And last of all, at Frisco, we got 0 to 1 foot wave conditions, blown out waves with those strong north and northeasterly winds, and the primary swell at Frisco is coming out east at 0.1 foot and 12 seconds. Looking ahead, all right, so for today we have that powerful high pressure system that I was mentioning to you, presently generating those strong northerly and northeasterly winds and that rough 3 to 4 foot surf. That high pressure system is expected to move over the area and shift off the east coast tomorrow. This is going to generate calm conditions with the winds dying and the swell cleaning up, getting into the range of 2 to 3 foot and clean to fair by noon on Friday. We're also looking forward to some warmer temperatures on Friday with a high between 51 and 54. And then on Saturday, we start to see the progression toward gale as a powerful storm forms in the Gulf and tracks north and eastward over the U.S. southeast on Saturday. For the Outer Banks on Saturday, we expect to see some strengthening northeast winds, although starting out pretty mild on Saturday with 2 to 3 foot and choppy surf ahead of the storm, and warmer temperatures again with a high between 55 and 57 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on where you are. On Sunday, powerful gale conditions are going to sweep into the Outer Banks, along with stormy weather and heavy rains. We are expecting to see maximum winds on Sunday in the range of 50 to 60 miles per hour with the gusts. And these winds will be turning in from the southeast, and we expect 10 to 16 foot surf on Sunday with that gale. Very heavy, very choppy, very dangerous surf on Sunday. And then on Monday, we expect conditions to start to calm down so that by Monday afternoon, we expect fair to clean large waves in the 5 to 8 foot range by Monday afternoon. So we might have some beautiful big waves by Monday afternoon, so we're going to have to keep an eye out. Air temperatures on Sunday in the middle 60s at the 63 to 66 degree Fahrenheit range, and in the wake of the storm, still warm conditions on Monday, 61 to 63. Okay, so that does provide us with our forecast. Choppy today, cleaning up tomorrow. Still probably rideable, but increasingly choppy on Saturday. Heavy gale with massive waves on Sunday, and then big clean waves on Monday. All right, so thank you for joining me for this session of the OBX wave report, and I'd like to ask you guys to please do everything you can to help protect our coastlines from the impacts of climate change driven by fossil fuel burning. Primary action that we can take right now is the mass deploying of clean energy. Mass deployable clean energy right now is wind, water, solar, electric vehicles, green hydrogen manufactured by clean energy sources and then transformed into liquid fuels for transportation in a net zero carbon fashion. And all of those technologies are available to us now. We just need to work as hard as we can to get those deployed. And if we do that, that will protect our coastlines from such effects of fossil fuel burning as rising sea levels, more intense storms, ocean acidification and ocean heat waves, which harm our ocean environment, and the beautiful coral reefs that we all love and enjoy and gain so much richness in our lives from. All right, so thank you for joining me once again. If you find some good waves today, more power to you. I'm pretty busy today, so if you do get out in the surf, hope you shred it up. Hope you manage to find some nice waves in all this little bit of choppy mess, but certainly rideable waves out there. Certainly do. All right, so thank you for joining me once again, and I will be back with you guys shortly.